Hi everyone, I am Subbaraju Sir from Coding Masters, Hyderabad. Many students ask me, Sir, how do your students get placed in top companies in Hyderabad? The answer is simple. Successful placements are not just about learning concepts. They come from building the right skills, working on real-world projects, and preparing for interviews with confidence. At Coding Masters, our students focus on industry-relevant technologies such as data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python, SQL, and data analytics. Along with technical knowledge, they develop problem-solving skills, communication skills, and practical experience that companies look for during the hiring process. Our training emphasizes hands-on learning, live projects, interview preparation, resume building, and continuous mentoring. This approach helps students become job ready and perform confidently in technical interviews. Many of our students have successfully started their careers in leading companies across Hyderabad by consistently applying these skills and staying committed to their learning journey. If your goal is to build a successful IT career, choosing the right guidance and following a structured learning path can make a significant difference. Attend our free demo session to understand the complete learning roadmap, placement guidance, and career opportunities. You will get all the details during the demo. Call 897-726-2627. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more career guidance and IT industry updates. Thank you.